May dumating na parcel, guys. Tara, buksan natin. Excited yarn.
Hey, Vince. I haven't seen this guy in like forever. This deal was my favorite toy when I was a kid. I've been all excited. My grandma passed him up and I didn't know he was.
Wow.
Huh? Well,
Oh!
he passed away while I was still in kindergarten.
Oh my God!
Where could that be? Let me think.
Akala ko talaga yung dumating is from Temu. Tapos na-surprise ako nung makita ko yung blue box. As in, excited ako. Share ko pala sa inyo, guys. Ito yung maternity box or yung tinatawag nilang baby box na galing from Kela or yung tinatawag nila ditong the Social Insurance Institution of Finland. Katumbas noon ay ang SSSS sa ating bansa. Every year, iba-iba yung kulay ng box at iba-iba din yung laman. This year, mayroon siyang 39 items na nasa loob nito. So tara, buksan na natin.
But he doesn't know about the time machine.
Wow!
There's just gotta be a way. Oh yeah, what are you doing hiding where she can't see us and watch from afar? It was the exit that was there. Putting it right after you go. Right.
This baby box was first issued in 1938 to parents with a low income. O diba? Amazing. Ang tagal niya na pala.